Hi, Paul here. I'm going to show you how to crop an image and also to straighten an image and also to resize an image in Photoshop. Now let's begin. Okay, here's my image. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this tool here called the crop tool. And then I just click the first one here. Then it will give me these options at the corners. What I'll just do, I'll just pull here like so, and also pull this one, and also pull this one. Maybe I want to crop it up to there. Also maybe I crop this one up to my arm length. Then I just click tick, just like that. You've just cropped your image. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to the next image. I'm going to show you how to straighten the image. Also I'll click the crop tool, but this time around I'll come and click this thing called straighten. Maybe I want to straighten this. You see this line here on the mountain. I want it to become straight. So what I would like to do, I just click here this icon here of straighten. I click it, then I just come and click here and draw something like this straight up to here. Then I'll just leave it, and you see it will become straight like that. Then I just tick, and that's how my image has become straight. Now how do I resize the image? It's very simple. Maybe resizing is more of, cropping is removing unwanted parts, straightening is trying to make it straight or trying to balance the position. But now resizing is more of reducing or increasing the image. I'll just come to here and just choose image size. Then I just come and choose this dimensions here. Now if I want to reduce this to maybe 500. I just put here 500, and you can see it is going, and you can see here it is going proportionally because this one and this one is linked. I just press OK. Then you see the image is changed, the size has changed to a very small size. Let me just undo by pressing Ctrl Z so that it comes to original. Maybe I want to increase. I'll just come again, image size, and make sure you choose this as it goes proportionally, or if you don't want it to go professionally, you will also have to move this. Also make sure this will stick so that it samples automatically. Although there are other options here, but always choose automatic. Maybe I want to increase this time maybe to 2000 width, and also the height will also increase proportionally. I'll just press OK. See it has become more bigger in the screen, just like that. So that's how to resize an image and also to crop and straighten an image. It's just that simple. Subscribe to my channel and also give it a thumbs up if you want to share it with your friends. Have a nice day.